All right. So for my project management tool, I decided to do um, Apple calendars. So pretty much this semester, I want to do a lot more like time management, making sure I get my things done, all types of things like that. So this semester, I started, we'll go all the way back to August, kind of give you a rundown. No school, no school. So here I included my lecture times, and then I included my work schedule. These are my work schedule, and then I included assignments. So as you can tell, um, all of these are yellow. Luckily, my color for yellow is done over here. Once I completed something, whether it be work or a assignment, I would mark it as done. So I had some sort of um, like, I guess you can call it satisfaction for completing my assignments and stuff. So we'll go all the way down to where I am now. So right now we are on this week. You can see that this current video that I'm doing is also one of the things that I have not done yet. So today I will just be going over my interface, um, showing you my classes, which I pretty much did, my assignments, how to work it a little bit, and then go into like how to create some of this stuff. So pretty much I have my day, each day it's broken down, my week, my month, and then year. Year doesn't have assignments and stuff though, so I never really use that. I usually just stick with the week. So as you can see, today we had 11 o'clock presentation. So I just had that as lecture. I color coordinated it to my Canvas. So if you look over here, well, I guess we're gonna scoot it over. All right, if you look over here, my operations management is orange, organizational behavior is purple, project management is green, communications is red, and my entrepreneurship class is blue. So if you look over here, all of these are color coordinated to my Canvas, so it's much easier to follow and know which class all of these assignments are for and stuff like that. So for this, for each week, I first started like putting in my lecture times. I went ahead and like repeated this. So like if I were to do something like extend one of my lecture times, it's going to ask if I want to do it to all events or just this event. So I'm just going to do it to this event because I've already had it. And all the repetitive ones, you can't really change your color to being done. So I didn't change them. So I'm going to just put this back to normal time and it's not going to ask. So we're going to pretty much show you how to create these things. So over here is going to be like your set of things. You're going to double click or right click to create a new calendar. This I'm just going to name PM tool. I'm just going to name PM tool. And that's going to be that. So for here, you can double click. I like to do custom color, and I have a bunch of options. I'm just going to choose cyan. It's a good color. Make it a little bit darker. That's a solid color. All right, we're going to go with that. So with this, I'm going to create for tomorrow an event. So all you have to do is double click, and it's going to create an event. You can delete the event, you can move the event, or you can expand the event for the time. But also, you can double click, go to get info, and then over here, you're going to be able to change the time. So say I want to have this event from 9 a.m. tomorrow to 5 p.m. 5 p.m. It's going to fill up the whole side, and then I'm going to just name it walk dog. It's going to be a long walk, but it's going to be all right. You can invite people, you can attach notes. I never really use that. It's just simple logistics on this one. I'm going to apply. I can copy it. So if you got multiple days of work, you got the same, you can just post it over here, and you can just move it up to the same time and stuff like that. So delete that. And then if you want to change it to the next day, I do this a lot on my assignments. If I don't do it the next day, I'm just going to move it to the next day. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And then one of the important things that I did was this done button. So I just created one, click done. And then since I'm almost done with this, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to calendar, and then I can just come down here and mark it done. And then it turns yellow, my assignment's done. That's pretty much that. What else is there? So yeah, I showed you how to change the color. There's another thing you can do. You can merge with other classes. So say you want to merge all of these things with this, you can just merge all of those items with project management. So anytime, say I had that, it's just going to turn exactly to green instead of that cyan. So it's pretty much gotten rid of, and that's that. And then to repeat a task. So I'm going to go with a work task. I'm going to change this color to work. I'm going to change it to work. So say you work every week, 8 to 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. So we're going to go to the calendar. We're going to get info. And then we're going to bring it back down here. And then we're going to go to this. So this, we're going to repeat each week. So every Tuesday, I'm going to work 8 to 10 each week and apply it. And it's going to pop up on each week until then. And then some of these you can also do like time frames and stuff. So go back to info, go down here. So and repeat would be on a date. So classes end on the 18th. We're just going to end it on the 18th. So once the 18th comes, this is the last week, no more classes, so it doesn't repeat anymore. And I have definitely found this to be super helpful in being organized for my classes. I've been able to get a lot of things done, have some satisfaction getting things done. And I definitely recommend it if you are an Apple user and need a simple calendar, something you need to carry around on your phone or your laptop, something easy access. I would definitely recommend this. It's super easy to use for the most part. It's much easier to use on the laptop than the phone. So that's why I typically keep all my assignments and stuff on my laptop. But yeah, that is that. And I hope you guys enjoyed.